Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find our personal dictionary, how to add new word and how to delete some in Realme 14x phone. So first of all we need to go to settings. Then in settings we're looking for system and update, then keyboard and input method, then manage keyboards, next Gboard, and here we're looking for the dictionary. And here is our personal dictionary with the list of languages that we are using. So all languages, for example, and we can tap the plus icon, then add the word that we are using and does not exist in our current languages. And when we back out, we have our word. To delete some, we need to tap and hold. And here at the top we have the trash bin. And now we have only two words in our personal dictionary. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.